everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete Telegram downloaded videos. Now to do that, open the Telegram application, then get logged into the account. Now I will show you first by downloading a video and then I will show you how you can delete it. So I'm going to tap open a user. There's the video that I have received. I'm going to save this video on my phone. So for that, tap on that dotted line just in the picture. You tap that dotted lines and there you will have the option to save to gallery, save to download. I'm going to go tap on save to download. Video have been saved to download. Now for you to delete this video from the download, what you need to do is go back. Now once you're at this page, the Telegram home page, you tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left, then go to setting. In the setting, you scroll down to the data and storage, tap that. Now in the data and storage, you will find the option storage usage on top. Tap upon that. Now what you need to do over here is you need to tap on clear cache. Tap on clear cache once more. All media will stay in Telegram cloud and can be re-downloaded if you need them again. Tap on clear cache. This will delete all the data that you have downloaded from Telegram right away. This is a way how you can delete downloaded from the Telegram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.